If you're an athlete who's having a lot of lower back pain that is associated with stiffness there as well, this is a good way to help improve mobility in that area. I just have a band, I have it right over my lower back, nowhere specific, just that lower back region. And I'm gonna get into a hands and knees position with some good tension on that band here. From here, I'm gonna work through the cat-cow. So I'm gonna let that band gently sink my back into as much range of motion as I can tolerate. And then from here, I'm gonna push back up into the band.